Lori is very good at that. This week, for example, we had a client in our office here who was really feeling crushed and pushed down and broken by the way the marriage had gone, and didn't really want to do anything. Came in to get, what do I have to know? What do I have to do to move ahead? And wasn't willing to commit to do anything. And I kept saying, well, you came to see me. Why don't you want to do this? Because clearly you need to get some relief, some satisfaction. Very concerned that she's going to lose anyway. He'll kill her. He made a lot of the kinds of threats that people sometimes make. You'll be sorry. I'm going to win. I know everything. You have nothing. You'll be on the street, etc. These stories are very commonplace. Sometimes they're true. Mostly they're not. You can't tell whether the spouse thinks that's true, and that's why the spouse is saying it, or wants my client prospect to think they're true. It's the same effect. It works because they're used to that kind of way of relating to each other. And Lori was in the room when this happened because the woman was it was a woman. She was really feeling kind of pressured and unhappy. Not even glad to be here. Very nervous. You're not going to call my husband, are you? And of course I don't do that. It's confidential. And Lori said, listen, and she was good at it. She said, listen, I've had a hard life myself from time to time. Let me explain something to you. If you just strike a blow, stand up for yourself, you'll put your husband back on his heels. You'll show him that you mean it. And you begin to get a crack in the relationship that has put you in this bad spot. You'll feel better. And you'll start to get better. And at that moment, the woman's face just lit right up. I mean, it was like something in a movie. You could see it. And she said, I never thought of it that way. That's the best thing I've ever heard. It's the best thing I've thought about in a long time. I see. Let's go do it. Because Lori said, look, what's the worst that can happen? It'll come out as bad as you think. But you won't be on your own. Because although I don't go to court, Lori said, Paul here does that. And I'm here to talk to you if you have any concerns or issues. Because our clients do that. They call sometime. They don't have to talk to me. Some of my clients actually prefer to talk to Lori instead of me because they think she's sympathetic and understanding. And she doesn't give bad answers. And she does not give legal advice. And when it's an answer that requires that kind of input, she always says, and I'm going to quote it, that sounds like a Paul question. And then she puts the client onto me and I get it straightened out. And that way we work together because it's just me. I'm a solo. I'm the only lawyer here. You don't get a junior associate, but you also get a team. When it really matters, the choice is simple.